Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime on your desktop. To put it simply in one line, WebView2 is a developer control that lets programmers embed modern web content like HTML and JavaScript directly into native Windows apps using the Microsoft Edge engine. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft WebView2 Runtime download. Click on the very first official link from Microsoft. Once the page loads, scroll down a bit until you see the Evergreen Standalone Installer or the Fixed Version options. Now, you'll see different download options for different architectures like x86 and x64. To find out which one your PC needs, go to your Windows search bar and type System Information. Look for System Type. As you can see, mine is x64, so I'll download that version accordingly. Click Accept and Download, and the file download will begin shortly. By the way, if you want to know how you can use AB Download Manager instead of IDM for faster downloads like this, make sure to watch my dedicated video on that in the card above. Once the file is downloaded, simply click the setup to run it. It's a very straightforward process. However, if you run into an installation error similar to what some users face, I've already made a fix for that. Check out the relevant video in the cards above to get it sorted instantly. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to WebTrack. See you later, alligator.